How to get a website built fast without doing it yourself. Let me guess, you've been thinking about getting a proper website for a while now. But between running your business, dealing with clients, and trying to figure out where to start, it just hasn't happened. Or maybe you tried a DIY builder and got frustrated halfway through. If that sounds like you, this is exactly what you need to hear. At Engage, we build custom websites for small businesses, fast. We don't just give you a blank template or a bunch of tech tasks. We handle the whole process for you from start to finish, so you can stay focused on your business while we take care of your online presence. Here's how it works. 1. We design it for you, from scratch. You don't need to worry about layout, fonts, or how it looks on phones. We make it clean, modern, and easy to use. 2. We write the content too. You don't have to write a word. We'll describe your services in a way that makes sense and speaks to your customers. 3. You get a real account manager. That means no back and forth with bots or support tickets. You'll work with a real person who understands your business and keeps you in the loop. 4. It's ready in just a few days. Most agencies take weeks or months. We keep things moving fast, so your website is live, usually within the same week. 5. No stress, no tech headaches. We handle everything behind the scenes: hosting, security, mobile compatibility, even SEO setup so your site shows up on Google. And yes, you can ask for as many changes as you like. We don't stop until it's right. We've helped roofers, electricians, cleaning companies, even family-owned shops go from zero to fully online in just days. And the best part? They didn't lift a finger. We took care of everything. The truth is, you don't need to be tech-savvy to have a great website. You just need the right team behind you. If your business still doesn't have a site, or if your current one looks outdated and isn't bringing in leads, let's fix that. This could be the easiest business decision you make all year. Engage your business. Our expertise.